How to draw a Plantar, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? I hope everyone is having a super fantastic day today. So for the first step of drawing Plantar, we're going to begin by drawing a circle right here towards the center of our page. We'll draw two circles and they'll both be connected to one another. Nicely done! Now on the inside of each eye that we just drew, we're going to draw a small black circle for the pupil. Now on the side of each eye that we just drew, we're going to draw two curved lines for eyelashes. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw, but I'm really glad that you're part of our drawing community. Now right beneath those two eyes that we just drew, we're going to draw the mouth. The mouth will appear as if it's open, and on the inside of the mouth, we're going to draw a line going across that is slightly curved to make the tongue. Fantastic! So far we're making great progress. Now, Plantar has a circular body, so we're going to begin to draw the outline of the body by making a big C-like shape that will go over the top of everything that we just drew. For the bottom, we're going to have to take a quick break and draw the hands before we can make the circle go all the way around. And at the very end of today's video, just like always, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now at the points of where we just stopped, we're going to draw the hands by making shapes that look similar to big U's. Nicely done! Now let's go ahead and finish drawing the body by connecting the two hands with a curved line. We want to make sure that the curved line that we draw will connect to the 2 points that we previously made together. Now right beneath Plantar, we're going to draw her tail, which will be connected to the body. Next, on the inside of Plantar's tail, we're going to draw a small shape. This small shape that we draw will help us separate the colors. Now for the last step of today's drawing, we're going to draw the bow on the top of Plantar's head. For the first step of drawing the bow, we're going to begin by drawing the center. The centerpiece will be the smallest. Now on both sides of the centerpiece, we're going to draw the outsides. The outsides will be fairly large considering the size of the centerpiece. Nicely done! Now let's do the same thing on the left-hand side. Now to finish today's drawing before we color, we're going to add in some detail to the inside of our bow. We're going to begin by adding in two small lines that are connected to the centerpiece. Now on the inside of the large pieces of the bows, we're going to begin to draw circles. You can make as many or little circles as you would like. This is how to draw Plantar from Amphibia. Hope your drawing turned out great. Don't forget that next I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, so be sure to stick around. And if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends so that we can continue to grow our drawing community together. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.